So on 22nd July, OnePlus is gonna launch the OnePlus Nord 2. It's official, it is coming with Dimensity 1200 5G CPU. Now some official images coming in courtesy Ishan Agarwal, and you can see we have a single punch hole and overall the form factor looks quite wide. This is a 6.4-inch display with in-display fingerprint scanner, and OnePlus say the colors and overall experience is gonna be nice. Now official news is Nord 2 is the first device with Oppo X1 Plus ColorOS X OxygenOS integration. The OxygenOS 11.3 is coming with Nord 2 out of the box, has the codebase of ColorOS and OxygenOS both. See, this won't change the interface but will help OnePlus deliver regular patches. So yeah, you can surely expect something new in terms of regular software improvements and all. They say this integration won't affect bootloader unlock in Nord 2, so I guess you can install Magisk, install ROM and do all the experimental stuff. Here's an image of Nord 2 running ColorOS testing firmware coming in from Yogesh. The final OS will be OxygenOS and these are some final specifications. So yeah, with the IMX766 Sony camera, that too with OIS, which OnePlus skipped in the standard 9, flagship level CPU and 90Hz nice looking display, 4500 mAh battery with 65 watts of fast charging. This is gonna be a decent device, I'm saying that. There's one more device coming in, which is the OnePlus Buds Pro. Yeah, I guess this is gonna be a hand wireless earbuds, and I told you guys OnePlus is working on a new device with model P083C. So yeah, this could be it. It is launching along with the Nord 2. Some controversial news coming in from OnePlus about OnePlus 9 series. They say they toned down the performance of a few applications. They reduced the CPU frequency of X1 core in Qualcomm's 888 CPU when running applications like WhatsApp, Facebook and basically all the low-end stuff. The reason they say is reducing power consumption and heat dissipation. See, my thoughts, again I said a few days back, this should be in users' hand via switch. This decision is not OnePlus should make, and that too hiding it from users, the actual buyers of the phone. Yeah, of course their motives were surely nice, but they should be open about it from the starting. Finally, a new device is in the works. OnePlus Pad recently got EU certification and now the same device is confirmed by trademark in China. Chat stations say all the BBK kids are planning for a tablet, so this is likely it. So this is all guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.